This is one of, if not the most disliked thing about this car. You have to push this button every single time you start it? Come on. Does it really save you gas? Well, ladies and gentlemen and ladies, I think I finally found a fix for that auto start and stop button. It is most likely the best $27 I will ever spend. Let's get it installed in blue. Before we get into the install, can you guys hear this? Do you know what that is? That is Williams Grove Speedway. Now I have all the doors closed, and you can still hear it inside with all the doors closed. That track is 7 miles away, and that's how loud it is. I'm sure you guys can hear it. Let me know in the comments. Let's get started. They supplied us with the wires and a panel tool. All right, the first thing we need to do is we need to remove the shifter knob. But first we gotta pull this off, which is real easy. Throw that in the cup holder there. And then we need to push this down here, like that. And that shows us 2 Phillips head screws. So what we need to do is we need to remove those. Throw them in the cup holder. And then shifter comes right off. Then I need to take the panel tool and lift up on this tray here. We need to do it on both sides. Okay, so there's quite a few things we have to unplug here. So I need to unplug this one here, and this one right here. And then I'll be able to take this whole tray off. Okay, now we got all of our wires disconnected. The only thing we had to do was pop this out. Pops right in here. Little tabs on either side. Just push either side in and it comes right out. So then we're left with this. Now what we need to do is we actually need to pop this cover up. So I gotta take a Phillips head screw out right here. It can stay. Now that that's there, this trim should just pop out. There's these little tabs right here. That's what we need to pop out. And we need to do that on both sides. Because we need to get back here. Which in turn, us doing this would let us hide these wires a little better. Okay, so now the shifter's in the way, I gotta move that shifter back. So if for whatever reason your car won't come out of gear, this is how you can take it out of gear. You have to pop all this stuff off, which actually doesn't take that long. And you're just gonna press down on this little white thing here, and then you press there, push down on that white thing, and it'll slide back. Now when you do this, either keep your foot on the brake or put the emergency brake on. And then you have this guy right here that's stuck here. You can should just be able to pull that out, just like you did the other one. All right, then that slides out. Pick that up, move it over to the side, like so. Well guys, I'm sorry to say, no luck. This does not fit anywhere. So I recommend that you do not buy this one. I will put the link in the description so you know not to buy this, okay? It is unfortunate, but hey, that kind of things happen. At least I can tell you that this doesn't work. Well, that's really unfortunate because I was really looking forward to not having to hit that button again. I'm gonna keep diving into this. I will let you guys know here in the future what I come up with, see if I can find another one that actually works. I'll tell you what though, this Adelphi headlamp is awesome. If you don't have one of these, links in the description. Use my code 717project for 10% off. I highly recommend them. I went back and looked at the description of the part. It says it's for a 22 Civic FE. Mine is an FE2. I don't know if that makes a difference. I assume it does because there's nowhere to plug it in, especially on the interior. If you guys might know where it goes, please let me know in the comments below. But I don't think it works for this car. You know, things happen. I'll take recommendations from you guys. If they work, they work. If they don't, they don't. Now, obviously, depending on the price, will depend on if I go and buy it or not. This was 30 bucks, no big deal. I'll give it to my daughter, take it to Kohl's and get my money back. No problem. I really feel like I let you all down. I do. You know, I thought that was really gonna work, and it didn't, so I really feel bad for you guys for watching the video. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the next video right now. So we're gonna get to the install. And guess what I gotta do? Yep, you probably already guessed it. I did it a couple videos ago, and even in that video I said I'm probably gonna end up doing it again. Yeah. I gotta take that front bumper off again. Yeah. Oh, not only that, the headlights too. And then 2 other panels. I've taken this bumper off too many times to count, so I'm gonna time lapse it, but you know what? I'm gonna time myself too. I bet you I can do it in 6 minutes. 6 minutes I can have this bumper off. Let's time it. $751.40. Tell you what though, that's still pretty fast. Whew. Wow. You guys will have to let me know if that's a record. Headlights is just a 10 mil and a clip. Bumper's off, headlights are out. I bet you're wondering what's in this box. Well, unfortunately, you're gonna have to wait till the next video, which won't be far behind this one. Unfortunately, the idle stop didn't work. I'm gonna keep digging into it for you guys. I will find one, and I'll let you know when. But I did leave a link in the description for this one. That way you know what not to buy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. And as always, this was your boy Miller. You're gonna love what's in this box. I'll see you in that video.